Okay, so let me show you how to make some changes in your overleaf document. If you notice here in red, this red means there are some mistakes. So let's look and see the mistakes. This says in line 102, it says there's some character that's not known. So it should be right after here, non, in line 102 in thesis.txt. So I'm going to go to your file thesis.txt, and I'm going to go to line 102. See if I can find that. All right. It's not here. This must be a different file. So this is in chapter. So let me go to thesis.txt, and we'll go to line 102. All right, let's see. Now, where does it say it? It says after non. Yeah, so this is not right. So we'll put a non-conflict region like this. Okay, good. All right, let's see. Now, what else? It says misplaced alignment character, line 126. So let's go down to line 126. All right, so here when you have this ampersand, you have to put a backslash in front. All right, so those are two mistakes. Let's go down and see this one. All right, another mistake. Chapter 1, line 263. Okay, so let's go to chapter 1, line 263. All right, so there's some mistake here. Let's see. All right, well, certainly this is not right. There must be some command here it doesn't like. So let's see what command it doesn't like. In the period 2010, all right, so it looks like this is not the right, oh, here we go. All right, so it looks like it does not like this. I think you don't put a backslash in front here. You just do this. I think you can possibly put 2 dashes. We can try that. Okay, and then here it has the same error. It looks like it's the same error. It looks like this is the same error. It's doing the same error several times. All right, now here's another one. This is line 330. It doesn't know this symbol. So let's go to line 330. All right. It doesn't know this symbol here. So if you want to do a right arrow, you can do something like this. Whoops, right arrow. Like that. And I'll put another one here. All right, so that's this error here. Let's see, here's another one. All right, so that's the same error. All right, here's another one. Line 596. Check that your dollar signs match around math expressions. So let's go down to line 596. 596. I don't see if 596 is down here. But I don't see a dollar sign. Let me see. I think maybe it's this here. I think if you want to do this, you should say L dots. That may be the problem. I'm not sure because I don't see a dollar sign here. I'm not sure about all of these things. I think maybe I'm not sure what you want to do here, but if it's not inside an equation, you need a backslash here. All right, let's see. Missing bracket 596. I think this is part of the same problem. All right, this one 596 also part of the same problem. This one 596 same problem, same problem. We'll see if this fixes. Now here you have some problems with your citations. We can fix these later. So this is line 150, 150. Well, we can fix this now. Mayada 2020 higher is not in your bibliography. So let's see where that is. So apparently you have it here. I don't see it here right now. Oh, sorry, line 151. Sorry, not line 220. Line 151. Okay, so that's the citation. We'll have to look in your bibliography and see if there's something there. We'll see. So I'll look here for Mayada. All right, it looks like maybe it was not cited correctly. Let me put a space here just in case. Mayada 2020. Let's see. Oh, you see there's no higher on it. It's just Mayada. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see if there's another one. 2, 3. Oh, look, you have two of them. You have two of them, which is not good. Okay, you have one on line 57, and you also have one on line 353. So it's not good to have two citations of the same thing. Let me make sure this is the same thing, African Journal of Rural Development. Yeah, it's the same thing, so I'm going to remove this one. Okay, and then we'll go back to your chapter 1, and there's no higher here. It's just 2020. Okay, let's see if that helps. Okay, so if I save it, it should compile again. We'll see if we still have problems. All right, so you see it's not red anymore. So there still has some warning, but at least there's no error. This just says there's some problems with text. All right. All right. So these I think you don't need to worry about now. Is there anything up here? I'm not sure what these are, but I think this is not a big problem. Now, you had some problems with your tables. One thing I noticed is that the spacing is too big. So I changed the spacing here. You can see what I did. If you look here, if you search for Sudanese certificate here, so Sudanese certificate. All right, so if you see what I did, let's see where, okay, here. I'm not sure this is the same place. Let me see if this is the same place. This Cert 2, yes, okay. Oh, it looks like, okay, let's see. Let's try to figure this out. I think this is not quite the same thing. Let me see if I can try to find this. Okay, let's look for Saudi Arabia certificate. All right, yes, it's here. All right, now, all right, first of all, there's a space here. There should be no space. All right, now see what I did here. I put item set, and I put this command here to make the spacing be small. So I'm going to move this down to this one also. This one, the spacing is too big. So let's see if we can find this one. I'll put it here. All right, so that will make the spacing small. Let's see if there's another one. Then this one here also. Let's see. I'm not sure why you have a code here. Well, I think you don't want a code here again. So I'll make this also small. And I'll paste this same thing. I don't think you want this here. Okay, let's see what else you have. All right, so it stopped there because I think there's no, I think maybe, let's see what else we have here. Okay, so there's not that much more left. There may be an error, which is not why it's not printing the whole thing. But let's see what happens now. All right, so we'll save this. And let's see about the table. All right, the problem is just the table is too big. There's just not enough room for it. There's a space here also. We can remove that space, I think, about the one that says before general admission. You may have to make two different tables. Okay, so here we have categorical. All right, so let's see. Okay, that starts here. All right, so I'm not sure why it's doing a space, because there's no space here. But I think that's the best we can do right now. You may have to change this, put this into two tables. I don't know. But this is some idea of how to fix some of the errors in overleaf.